guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher. Today I will tell you about the ways how to practice foreign language, Russian language, not Russian, no matter if you are too shy to speak. Sometimes people say for me it's easier to speak, but I just remember myself 5-10 years ago I was really shy, and I was really shy to start speaking in English. I was scared they will hear my mistakes, they will think I'm stupid and so on. So I will tell you about the ways how you can practice language. First way, just start with simple phrases. For example, if you travel abroad and you are too scared to have a long deep conversation, just start with hello, thank you, or some basic phrases in the cafe, and with time you will feel more and more comfortable and you will be able to say more complicated things. Record yourself, so you can record your voice, tell something there. Especially it's good if you can just tell it without the preparation, and then you can listen to it again and to see where you have mistakes and what you need to work on. Sure, practice with conversation partner. Most important, you need to feel comfortable with this person and not to be scared to do mistakes. Then you can speak with Siri on your phone. It's also a very nice idea because this robot will answer you as much as you need, as you want. It will answer you always, answer you slowly and clearly. In Russia we use Alisa, for example, so I just say Alisa, hello. So probably you have Siri, we have in Russia Alisa, and I can speak with her about anything I want. Any stupid questions I can ask her and she will answer me. Join a language conversation group. There you can find people who will not judge you for your mistakes. You will feel comfortable there in a nice atmosphere. Have a list of conversation starters or questions prepared for your conversation. So when I just started teaching many years ago, I also prepared what I will say in case if I will forget something. Now for me it feels strange, but maybe 5-6 years ago I still prepared the list of questions that I need to ask. Now I feel much more comfortable just because I had a lot of practice. Read out loud. It will help to your pronunciation. You will feel more comfortable about your pronunciation. Also, you can use same time audiobook, listen to, then repeat reading it. You will speak out loud, and also can help you to speak more fluently. You can start just with simple text and then choose more and more complicated things. Speaking in front of the mirror, if you're too shy to speak with real people, if you just speak with yourself. Also, it will help you to see your real emotions, gestures, while you're speaking, because it also help us a lot, because it also means a lot while we are speaking. Use the language apps. These apps also, there are in some apps you also can communicate with people. If you're too shy to speak, maybe you can just text in with them. Practice with familiar words, so start with the words that you know, that you're sure, that you're confident about, and then start using new and more complicated vocabulary. Role play games, this is what we usually do with my students. For example, we practice many times, not just one time, maybe 3-5 times. We practice different dialects in the cafe, in the restaurant, in the shop, and with practice, if you practice this situation, if you play this situation many times, also in real situation, in the same situation, you will be already prepared mentally, and of course you will have enough knowledge for this. Speak with your pets. Also, they will not judge you, they will listen to you, and it will help you to practice speaking while anyone in front of you, but not will judge you. But also, we are natives of other languages, never judge you, we support you, and we are so inspired of your strength that you started speaking. I just see how Russians react on people from other countries who started speaking Russian. And of course, be patient to yourself and be prepared that you need maybe more time to speak language. It's always much harder to speak than to read, than just to listen to. So guys, if you're interested in learning Russian language, if you need someone to practice with, if you need a professional who will also practice Russian with you, you can book our first Russian language class with me. All the questions about study process you can ask me using one of the links in description to this video. Have a good day. Write me please in comments how you practice speaking, if you're shy or not shy about it, how you feel. Are you shy while you're speaking foreign languages or no? Have a good day. See you soon.